In this question, it is mentioned, let relation R A B C D E P G with the relational schema with the following FDs are hold. AB determine CD, DE determine P, C determine E, and P determine C, and B determine G. The relational schema R is in option A in BCNF, B in 3NF but not in BCNF, option C in 2NF but not in 3NF, option D not in 2NF. So first of all, we have to calculate about the candidate key. We have to discuss. So my dear student, we will write whatever FDs are given are A, B, C, D, E, P, G. Then AB determines CD, DE determine P, C determine E, P determine C, and B determine G. B determine, here you can see AB determine CD, DE determine P, C determine E, P determine C, and B determine G. So first of all, we have to calculate the candidate key. What I am doing? I am trying to take the closure of A. When I take the closure of AB, what happen? Are getting A, B, C determine E, DE determine P, and B determine G. Are getting A, B, C, D, E, P, G. All attribute of relational schema are. But अभी अपन इसको कैंडिडेट की नहीं बोलेंगे. First we will take the closure of A and B. When we take the closure of A, what we are getting? Only we are getting. और जब अपन ने B का क्लोजर लिया, we are getting B. What we can say first? AB is candidate. AB is candidate key. Now check, there is a multiple candidate key. No sir, no multiple candidate key. Here and no multiple candidate. Clear बच्चा? Now what is the prime attribute? Prime या key attribute क्या क्या हो जाएंगे इधर बच्चा? The attribute which present in the candidate A and B. And non prime or non key? Non prime or non key attribute? C D E P G. C D E P G, my dear student. Now we have to check which FD violating. First of all, check for 2NF. Check for 2NF, my dear. Check for 2. Okay. So when you check for 2NF, AB determines CD. Okay. AB determines CD. Okay. And DE determine P. You can see here directly. P determine G. B determine G is create a partial dependence. Create a partial dependency. Create a partial dependency. Clear? Create a partial dependency. Why? Because B is what, my dear student? B is proper subset of candidate key. Proper subset of candidate key, my dear student. And G is what? Non key attribute. Partial dependency exists, so you can say it is not in 2. Partial dependency exists. Partial dependency exists, so you can say R is not in second normal form, my dear. So here what you can conclude? Not in 2NF. Not in 2NF, my dear. So directly you can say D is the correct answer for this question. This relational schema only in 1NF but not in 2NF due to partial dependency. B determine. So D is the correct answer for. Hope so you get it. Thank you everyone.